If we only live to our true purpose, then we cannot miss. If we use 100% our mind, which, by the way, we don't own our own mind. We are schooled in something that is providing production for a system that is sodomizing the planet, that is not into the immune system, the health, nor into the happiness, nor in the strength of people, but into the brutto national product, the economy and money. And the creativity, therefore, is gone. The originality, the identity of a person is gone. And logically, you become sick. You become depressed. You don't know what is your purpose. Then you live aside of your true core, which contains happiness, strength, and health. I don't think war is normal. Disease is normal. Abuse is normal. Stress is normal. I don't think that is normal. I think this happiness, strength, and health, that is normal. And to respect wildlife and people in poor countries and help, love, that is my aim. But how to get around that? How to make it tangible and strong? I did not know, but I followed my gut. I followed my intuition. And those now show to be internal neurological networks called proprioception, interoception, and they were thought of not to be able to be top-down regulated, like mind over matter was not possible. I showed how to do it. Where did I get the wisdom of? Not out of the books, out of nature. Mother Nature provided me, and now I'm showing all in scientific comparative studies that we are built, innately capacitated to provide health, happiness, and strength through a control, absolute greater control over our immune system. As you said in the beginning, the immune system, innate immune system, the damaging factor right now with COVID is the innate immune system, the overactive immune system, the cytokine storm. And we were to believe that it is not able to be suppressed by humans. And we showed this very clearly in 2014. We can suppress it within a quarter of an hour. Through what? Through the life force itself. What are you talking about, life force? Breathing. Just breathing. Deep breathing, manipulating it like consciously stopping the breath after releasing carbon dioxide. We become alkaline inside. Then the carbon dioxide trigger is no longer there for breathing. And you are just sitting. And while you sit for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes without air in the lungs. This is known in the old yogas, the kumbhakas, it's called. But hey, I did not know, it was too abstract. Where was it? I went into the cold water, and what happened? I began to breathe deep. That is the natural way, and we got alienated from the life force, from bringing oxygen and chemistry, the right chemistry inside our bodies and inside the depth of our brain. We forgot about it. We alienated, disconnected. Yoga is about connecting. Yoga, huge, is a Sanskrit verb for connecting. But then I was reading all the Upanishads, the Mahabharata, the Ki, the Chi, the Greek pneuma, the Christian mysticism and all, and it didn't make sense until I went into the cold water. Is when I woke up to a feeling of this is it, a feeling, and that feeling is inside. That feeling, now I know how to connect and show it to others in one day, how to connect to internal neurological networks we have never been schooled in to learn to use. And when we then get depressed, or we get the sack, or we have no money, or we have problems, we got stressed, we cannot tap into these internal mechanisms who are very able to deal with any kind of stress. That means mental, physical, emotional, bacterial, viral, doesn't matter. In the end, it is cell biological stress. And we have internal networks, neurological networks, making us able to deal with it. I always use the same thing. That is the deep breath. Any deep breathing techniques that are able to deal with the stress in your individual, original, your typical, specific life is the right one.